How do I repair my GE profile range with error code F3?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. F3 means that your oven thinks your oven sensor is shorted. This can be caused by either a bad oven sensor or a bad display relay control board. You can't test the board, but you can test the sensor. Open the door and remove the 3 to 4 long thin metal rod attached to the back wall. There are 2 screws holding the sensor on that you can remove and then pull the sensor forward until you can disconnect it. With a multimeter, check the resistance of the sensor at room temperature and it should be about 1080 ohms. If it's not, replace the sensor, otherwise you need to replace your relay board. Below is a link to the oven sensor that you will likely need to order and replace. If there is anything else I can help you with today, just let me know. You can continue asking questions for as long as you like, even after you rate me. Click the Continue Conversation link if you would like to continue this conversation. If you are done and rate a 1 or 2 star, please consider using the Continue Conversation link and telling me what more I can do or what more you would have liked that was within my power so that I possibly give you that information or help me improve my customer satisfaction rating.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.